So today in this lecture we are solving question number 2 of page 20. Given that if u is equal to this, then find the complement of the following sets. Means we have to find out the complement of a set of given set this A, B, C, D. You know what is complement? A set that is elements which are in A, for set A, right? So which are in U but are not in A, that is U minus A. Simply we write U minus A is the complement of set A dash, that is denoted by A dash, is U minus A, means are in U but not in A is called a complement of their set A. So here is A is equal to ABC. So therefore your answer A dash is equal to, I am writing directly here. So A dash is equal to ABC. So D, E, F, G, H. So A dash is equal to D, E, F, G, H. This is your answer. Then B. B is D, E, F, G. So B dash. Set of elements which are not in B. That is A, not A. So A. B, not here. So B. C, D is already here, E, F, G and H is not here. So answer is A, B, C, H, right? Then set C, A, C, E, G. A already here. So if we write C dash, that is complement of C. So complement of C means A is here, not B, so B. C is here, not D, so D. E is here, not F, so F, G and H. And similarly D dash will be, D dash is equal to not A, oh so here A is here, so A is here, B, then C, D, E, F, G, H. So these are the complement of set D. This is that is set D dash. Now question number 3. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following sets. Right? First, x, where x is an even natural number. So given that u is the set of natural number, means all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So if you want to write, then u is here, your set 1, 2, 3, 4, dash is your set u given. Now suppose we assume that this is a set A. So A dash will be complement of this set. X is an even natural number, means complement of that set even natural number is odd natural number, right? That is, if you want to write in numbers, then you have to write only 1, 3, 5, 7, just like that. But I am not writing like that. I am writing in this way: x, where x is an odd natural number, right? So this is the complement. Second, suppose B, this set is B, then B dash is x. X is an odd natural number. So x is given is odd natural numbers. So now what is your answer? Answer is even natural numbers. So this is your question, this is your answer. Now this is your question. Now answer of this is this one. So x is an even natural number. Then third, suppose we see this is a set C. X is a positive multiple of 3. Positive multiple of 3, that is C set is given positive multiple of 3, that is 3. You have to speak the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 3 ja 9, 12, 15, dash. So complement of this set is set 1, 2. Then 4, 5, 7, 8, then 10, 11, then 13, 14 and so on. So instead of writing this, can we write this x is a positive multiple of 3 is set C. So all positive numbers except the multiple of 3 are your complement. That is, answer will be C dash is equal to x, where x is not a positive multiple of 3. X is not a positive, this is P, positive multiple of 3. X is not a positive multiple of 3, right? So this is your answer. Now fourth one, suppose we say that this is at D. X is a prime number. Prime number means you write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like that. So complement of that set is the number which are not prime numbers, right? So same as this x, where x is not a prime number, right? So D dash will be x. X is not a prime number. X is not a prime number, right? And then fifth one, x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. X is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5, right? Means complement of this set is x, where x is a natural number not divisible by 15, because 3 and 5, that is LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So complement of this set, suppose this set is E, then E dash is equal to x, where x is a positive or natural number. X is a natural number which is not divisible by 15. Which is not divisible by 15. Now suppose this set is f, then f dash is equal to, now given that x is a perfect square, so answer is x, where x is not a perfect square, right? So answer will be x is not a perfect square. Suppose this set is G, then G is given x is a perfect cube. So similarly, is not a perfect square is your complement, then here is not a perfect cube, right? So G dash will be x, where x is not a perfect cube. Now this is given. So what is given here? Suppose EFG. Suppose this set is H, then here given x plus 5 is equal to 8. So this implies x is equal to 3. Taking 5 to right hand side, it becomes minus. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So x is equal to 3. Now x equal to 3. So complement of 3 is all the numbers except 3. That means all the number means all natural numbers. All natural numbers but not equal to 3. So answer of this is 3. This is set G is 3, right? See, I am writing here like this. Therefore, G is equal to 3. So this implies G dash is equal to, this implies G dash is equal to x, right? So x. So all natural number, that is x belongs to n. But we have to exclude this. We are not able to take this as a, because we have to write complement. So we have to exclude this. So x not equal to 3. This is your correct answer. Either you can write like this, x, where x belongs to n minus 3. This is also correct answer. But if you want to write like this, then you have to write this 3 in a set notation, because we are excluding 3. We are not including 3. So we have to write like this. So I think this is the proper answer for you. Similarly, this twice x plus 9 equal to 9. So if we say this is set I, suppose not I am taking I am taking J. So this is set J. Then twice x plus 5 is equal to 9. So this implies twice x is equal to 4. So this implies x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So similarly, this is set J. So J is, your set J is 2. Set J is 2. So this implies complement of J, that is J dash, is, I am writing like this, x, where x belongs to natural number, but we can't take this 2, so x is not equal to 2, right? Then this is set K. Then x is greater or equal to 7. So all numbers greater or equal to 7 means x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the complement. So this is equal to K is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to n. So J dash will, K dash will be numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And last one, suppose this set is L, then x belongs to n, and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So it is given twice x plus 1 is greater than 10. So this implies twice x is greater than 9. So this implies x is greater than 9 by 2. So all the sets which is less than 9 by 2 or equal to 9 by 2 are the complement of the set. So your answer L dash is equal to x, where x belongs to all natural numbers. So x belongs to n, and which is less or equal to 9 by 2. So this is your answer, right? So next question is question number 4. If u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and b is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, then we have to verify this. So this is known as a De Morgan's law, right? So these are De Morgan's law. So we have to, in short, we have to verify De Morgan's law, right? So first of all, we need complement of A and complement of B, then intersection of both, and union of A union B, and then the complement of A union B, and A intersection B, and complement of A intersection B, and verify. We can check it easily, is given is true or false, and you know these are a absolutely true sentence, right? This is a result that we proved, right? So first, u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So complement of this set, that is A dash. So A dash means set of all elements of U which are not in A, right? So 2 is here, so no 1. So 1, 2 is here, no 3. 4 is here, no 5. 6 is here, no 7. 8 is here, no 9. So these are the sets A dash. Now B. B is given 2, 3, 5, 7. So complement of set B, that is set of elements which are in U but not in P, right? So 2, 1. So 1, right? Now 2 is here, 3 is here, no 4. So 4, 5, 6 is not here, 7 and 8, 9. So these are A dash and B dash, that is complement. Now for first result, so I am writing here, first result A union B whole dash, that is complement of A union B, is equal to A dash union B dash. This we have to verify, right? So for that we require A union B and A intersection B. So first of all we find out that also, right? So these are given. So A union B. Now you know A union B means either in A, either in B, or in both. That is all elements which are inside A and B, but no repetition is allowed. So what we get here, A and B. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 2 already here, no 3, 5, no 5, and 7. So this is your A union B. That is, if you want to write in order, then this is 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 7 and 8, these are in order. So all elements are in order. Now A intersection B. A intersection B means set of all elements which are in both. That is common element in both sets. So common element of both sets are, see here, 2. So 2, no 3, no 4, 5, no. So only 2 is the common element. Right? Now for first we have to find out A union B dash. That is complement of A union B. So A union B is this. So therefore A union B whole dash is equal to, this is A union B. So set of all elements which are in U but not in A union B. So 1 is not here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all are here. So only 1 is the answer. See result number 1. Now we require A dash union B dash. So A dash union B dash. Right? That means set of all elements which are in A dash and B dash. Right? And in both A dash and B dash. So this is A dash, this is B dash. So I am writing, why this is, we are making some mistake. This is union, then we get this intersection. So we need here intersection. So now A dash intersection B dash. Now common element of both sets, that is 1. No other element is common, right? So answer is 1. That is result number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash is true, right? Verify says that for is true. It's given that verify. So you have write it's a true result. Now second one. Second one is A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Now first we require A intersection B, that is here. Now A intersection B whole dash means set of all elements which are in U but not in A intersection B. So except 2, all elements of U, that is 1 to 9 but not 2. So that means 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the sets A intersection B whole dash except 2, all elements. Right? Now A dash union B dash. So A dash union B dash. Union means set of all elements which are in both A and B, right? And A and B also, right? So A dash union B dash is this. So if we write, this is 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, and from this 1 is already, no 4 is there, so we have to write 4, no 6, no 8, 7, 9 is there. So if we rearrange in this term, then we get 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and 9. Say this is the number 3 and this is the number 4. Now check, is 3 and 4 are equal? So both sets are equal. So from 3 and 4, from 3 and 4, result A intersection B whole dash, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash is true. Is true. Right? Okay.